work. You know, I'm working. I've always been a working bee. I'm always going to be a working bee. I look forward to tomorrow, you know, because tomorrow is a day I get an opportunity to get better. And so I look forward to practice. I look forward to after practice, the work that I'm going to put in. And so I've always trusted. I've never trusted my skill. I've always trusted my work. And so I'm just thankful. You know, faith and works go hand in hand. I show you my faith by my work. And I'm going to continue to keep, you know, staying humble, working hard, and trusting God in everything I say.
How comfortable did you feel out there tonight? Really have it going?
I mean, you know, my teammates was looking for me. I was able to get going early. You know, had a couple of plays to get me going. Second half, you know, it's always good with my little 15-footers going in and my floater going in. And then, you know, I got some good open looks on my 3-ball, and it was going in. And so it's all about winning. And I'm not out there just for stats. You know, I'm out there to try to help this team win. Our goal is trying to make the playoffs, and the only way we can make the playoffs is if we win games. And so I'm just out there just playing the game and trying to play it the right way.